So we're going to talk just a minute about the auto group feature in LightBurn. Sometimes when you have a more detailed project, you have items like this mummy that have loose pieces that you don't want to lose when you're moving things around. But it can be difficult, and maybe this is not the best representation because some get really intricate. It gets difficult to grab the pieces all together without touching something else. Well, when you're putting it together, as long as each part has a outline, an offset around it, then you can use Auto-Group, and it'll group everything individually rather than group it together. If you wanted it all together, of course, you just select it all, then you go up top to group or right click and group here. But if you want to keep them individual so you can keep working with your project and moving things around, Auto Group is a good way to do it. We've got loose pieces even in this spider web that we don't want to lose. So if you select everything together, first make sure nothing is grouped. If any part of it's grouped, it won't work. So go up top, make sure nothing is grouped. Select everything, go to Arrange, and right here to Auto Group, select it, and then each of your pieces are individual now, and they're not grouped together. The only thing that's actually grouped into this spider web are the pieces of the spider web and the spider itself, because it was contained within the offset of the spider web. So I got all these parts from an art library called Monster Mash. If you want to know how to make that for free, I'll drop a link down in the description and you can go do that. This is what it looks like. It's basically each letter from a free font is represented by a character, and you can save those and make a free art library for Halloween. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, share, comment. All of it's appreciated. It helps keep me in the shop and doing things with LightBurn and the laser. And when I learn new things, I share them with you folks. So just check back often for new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.